I heard, where was that? Oh, is that your bait? Got him! First snakehead! Got him! Reel him in! Reel him in! Got him! Reel him in! Reel him in! Reel on the first snakehead.
Is it?
Yes! Got him!
Yes!
Got him!
First snakehead, dude! Dude, I gotta take a picture. First frogfish, too.
Did?
Captain T-Bone.
You got your pliers?
Yep. Why don't you put your finger in his mouth and see what happens?
I know his teeth. I'm not even trying to play with those. I'm trying to play with those teeth. They're just so strong, and they get mad and they flip and flop. Take your hook, fix that out.
Yes. Dude, I gotta take a picture.
Oh my goodness, that's a good one. That's a big one, dude. PV, that's a big one. That's a giant. Reel him in. Yeah, take your time. It's a giant.
It's got a break.
No, take your time.
Oh, he's behind the...
You just hold the pressure on him, he'll come out.
Yeah.
Go get him. Keep pressure, just don't lose pressure. Keep it tight, that's all. As long as you keep it tight, you're good. Keep it tight.
What is it, a snakehead?
It's a giant. It's a giant one.
Oh my...
Oh my goodness. Giant. Giant. Giant.
Oh. Wow.
Told you we were gonna get your PB today.
God. T-bone. My goodness.
Giant. Giant.
That's a lot of fillets.
Dude, that thing is huge.
I cannot believe something that big is swimming around. It's almost scary if you think about it.
All right, hold the net. You go put your rod down over there. Just hold the net. Yeah, it'll be fine because you got enough slack.
Yeah.
Just hold the net.
Gotcha.
Hold both hands. He's going to jump around. He will jump around in a minute. Hold the net up. Hold it up higher. Thank you. Oh my goodness. I don't know if I can get it.
You inhaled it?
Yeah. Whoa. Oh yeah, that's all there. Got it.
Good job. You should stick your finger in his mouth. I want to see what happens.
Hold on. Hold the net down. Look at 12, 13.